if you clicked on this video, you are probably someone who's looking for a more efficient and easy way to install your unit that's also going to look natural and realistic, and I got something for you, girl. So this video I'm really excited about because I tried. And I said I tried because I did try. It was an attempt. It was not successful at all. It was an epic fail. I tried the new fake scalp method probably about 2 months ago, and y'all, it didn't go very well. This is a method that was inspired by MsPreciousMarie, and y'all, it was a lot of work. It was very taxing, and y'all have seen my wig videos. I usually do a very good job, but y'all, I did not divide and conquer on that one. That one was an epic fail, but I made the unit work, and it still looked great by the end. However, that method was just not executed well. MsPreciousMarie is a genius. She's come up with so many different ways to make your units look so much more realistic, and many of us have followed her tutorials and for the most part have been successful, but for that one, yeah, it was a no-go for me, and so many others kind of struggled with that one as well, but she made it look so easy. But we have a solution for that problem, guys. One that's not going to cause you to have to use glue. You're not going to have to bleach any knots. You're not even going to have to do the fake scalp method yourself, because guess what? This company has done it for you. Yes, y'all, Rayzee has now adopted this inspired new fake scalp method, and they've created it on their units, already pre-made, done for you. You don't have to do any of that. So save your time and energy, guys. Don't spend all that time doing all of that extra. And if y'all have not seen that new fake scalp method video that MsPreciousMarie did, I'll leave it down in the description box. I'll also leave my attempted try at the method so y'all can see how much of a fail it was. Don't waste your time. Units like these that are already done, that's what you want to go for. So this unit is by Rayzee. So they were already one of those companies that was ahead because they had already began bleaching knots for their customers. Many companies had not done that. They went ahead and began attaching the elastic band, which is awesome. And y'all know that was inspired by Peak Mill. Peak Mill is like a genius as well. And then now, this new fake scalp method, I didn't even think that was something that could be done, like pre-done, but they've tried that too. And y'all, it's gorgeous. And it's a bob. I showed you all a bob in my last video, and y'all, I'm excited about this one because everything's been done. So this is gonna be a quick and easy install. So this is what the unit looks like right out of the package, and I'm really excited about it, y'all, because it doesn't look like I have to do anything. The knots have already been bleached, as you can see. This hairline looks flawless. And y'all, look at this. Look at this. Look at that. It's already done for you guys. Now, I'm not sure how they were able to get the cap to stay on the lace. I have no idea how they did that, because y'all, that was a challenge for me. And you are able to get this unit in a middle part or a side part, but y'all, it's a lace front, so you can actually part it from ear to ear, and I'm going to show you all that in a moment. But the way that it comes constructed and parted is pretty much how you desire it when you get it, so that you can take it out of the package, put it on your head, and be ready to go. This unit is in lint 10. As you can see, this hair looks beautiful. It looks very healthy. It is Indian virgin hair. This is the band that I was referring to earlier, and they've actually taken it a step further. The one that Peak Mill used was one that was just a standard elastic band that you can get from Michael's or from Walmart, and she just sewed it on. But they actually have created this attachment so that if you desire not to have it on, you can actually take it off. And it has like these little, it has a little latch hook here. So you can attach it here. You can also adjust this elastic band. And I'm sure that other companies are doing this as well. So you can adjust it. So if you want it to be tighter, you can bring it in. And let me just show you that. So you can bring it in if need be, using these little hooks. And then the next step is just to put it on your head. Now, You don't even have to actually use cornrows for this particular style. If you wanted to actually just put your hair in a ponytail, you could do that. I do actually have cornrows in my hair. And y'all, they are on the struggle bus. They look so bad. So y'all, don't judge me. My hair is looking really interesting. I need to wash it, and I'm gonna do that probably today or tomorrow. So I'm gonna put the unit on. We're gonna see what it looks like. I should have actually laid down my hair in the front before I put it on. Like, look at that. That looks good already. It's laying so flat. Now this part up here, I am gonna have to actually flat iron it so that it lays flatter. But look at that. Okay, I'm not gonna use the razor this time to actually take off the lace, but I'm gonna attempt to do it with scissors while it's on my head and see how this goes. Look at how that just blends into my skin. Like, it already looks like it's melted. And I didn't have to use any gel. Like, this is awesome. It's like it's growing out of my scalp. Wow. That is crazy. Now this area here is kind of lifting some, but that's because I got mine custom made. But if you get one of their regular mediums or regular small or large or whatever, then yours should be fine. And it's really because my hairline actually comes down a little lower than most hairlines. So in order to cover this area, they kind of gave me a little extra here. Let's get into this parting. So I'm gonna flat iron the hair just so that it lays flatter. This is what it looks like currently. It got a little flip situation going on because of how it was packaged. And then we're gonna be finished. That's all you have to do. Put the unit on. You can maybe flat iron it, or you can leave it as is, but I don't desire for the hair to be flipped up on the ends. Alright y'all, so we are finished. This unit looks like it could literally be my own hair. I believe my hair is probably about this length now. Big Chop anniversary has probably already passed and my hair is probably already this length. And I had planned to actually get my hair straightened, so it probably would look just like this. So no heat at all, and I was able to get the same look. How cool is that? So I'm going to be doing quite a few bob videos. I hope that you all enjoyed this new fake scalp method that you didn't even have to put in any work to do. Now I could actually put some glue here, but it's really not necessary. I just actually combed over some of the hair on this side just to help to flatten it some. But if you want more security just for this area, if you have a lower hairline like mine, then you're probably going to have to use a little bit of gel, but only a little. But this is one of the easiest installs that I've done. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to check the description box for the link to this unit. It's bomb, y'all, and it's gonna save y'all a lot of time and energy. Trust me. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.